Hello, and welcome. So, we have 3 solar panels, with the maximum power produced, 500 watts each. Inverter details. Maximum input power means maximum power from solar panels. To be clear about that, this is what we need to know for this video, okay? Example 1. At 8 o'clock in the morning, the approximate current produced by 3 panels will be 100 watts. We can add more solar panels? Sure. But you need to know, or test some things, like knowing if your inverter is limited to its maximum power, or if it will activate the fuse and stop the system. Of course, if you double the number of solar panels at the same time, at 8 o'clock, you will have doubled the amount of energy produced. That means an average of 200 watts. Let's make a comparison. On the right side, we have 3 panels, that is a maximum of 1,500 watts. The left side, we have 6 panels, that is double, maximum, 3,000 watts. Of course, these numbers are only valid when the sun is perfectly aligned with the solar panels. Otherwise, the power produced will be less. It depends on the position of the sun and its brightness on that day. Naturally, production is influenced by the seasons. Okay, so far everything is working well and there will be no problems until the time when the sun is in the ideal position, so be careful at 12 o'clock. But at 10 o'clock, the current produced gradually increases, and will increase with every passing minute. Okay, it's 12 o'clock, the hour of truth. But also the hour of the danger that can be. So, we recommend you to be careful, and to have a switch to interrupt the current coming from the panels, for any eventuality. If you see smoke, or if the cables start to melt, immediately turn off the power from the panels to the inverter. But, let's see what can happen. If the inverter is a quality one, even if it can work with the lower current than that produced by your panels. As you can see on the left side, where there are 6 panels, nothing happens. In fact, something is happening. The amount of energy produced does not exceed the limit imposed by the inverter. 1,500 watts in our case. This option is the best if you don't have a powerful enough inverter for the installed panels. Second scenario that can happen: system will trigger automatic shutdown when the energy exceeds 1,500 watts. It will only start again if the inverter is a very powerful one. If there is one with this function, when the panels produce below 1,500 watts, the system will start up automatically and turn off again when the energy exceeds again. This option is safe for the system, but it is not really optimal and economical. The worst scenario that can be: if the inverter is of poor quality, a fire is possible. So, add extra protection. You wonder, how to do that? Well, it's quite simple in theory. Visit our website, pvsolarsim.com, and there select the protection section from the top. There you will find detailed tutorials about fuses that can be used, and where they are mounted. This is an extremely important thing, and very valuable information that we offer for free. Of course, This situation can be avoided, even if you don't have a high-performance and very expensive inverter. Just add fuses to the system. As I told you earlier, you can find guide on pvsolarsim.com, protection section, and you will be safe. And the answer to the question, can I add new solar panels to the old ones with the old inverter? This video is the answer. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you if you have any concerns or questions. Have a good day, and subscribe to us if you feel that